You're about to board a flight, or maybe you're just trying to snap a photo of your lunch, and then it happens. The dreaded storage full notification. We've all been there. And usually, the culprit is that entire season of Stranger Things you downloaded 3 months ago and forgot about. Hi everyone, I'm Anna, and welcome back to For Real, where we keep tech simple and practical. Today, I'm not just going to show you the basic way to delete Netflix downloads on your iPhone or iPad. I'm going to show you the faster swipe method, the nuclear option to wipe everything in seconds, and a setting you probably have turned off that does the cleaning for you. Let's get that storage back. Netflix movies look great, but that quality comes at a cost. A single hour of 4K or even HD content can take up gigabytes of space. If you download a whole season, your 64-gigabyte iPhone doesn't stand a chance. Before we start deleting, grab your device. We are going to do this in real time. I'm using an iPhone 14 here, but this works exactly the same on any iPhone or iPad running the latest Netflix update. Let's start with the method most people know. Open up your Netflix app. Depending on your version, look at the bottom right corner. You'll either see a button that says Downloads or, more recently, My Netflix. Tap that. Here is your list of downloads. To delete a specific movie or a whole show, look for the little pencil icon or the edit button in the top right corner. Tap it. You'll see red X icons appear next to everything. Just tap the X and poof, it's gone. This is great for occasional cleanup, but it's a bit slow if you have a huge list. But wait, there is a much faster way that Netflix doesn't really advertise. It's the iOS classic, the swipe. You don't need to enter edit mode every time. Just find the show you want to dump, put your finger on it, and swipe to the left. You'll see a red delete button appear, tap it, or if you pull a long swipe all the way to the left, it deletes instantly. This is super satisfying if you just want to clear out that one movie you finished on the train. We've got more storage hacks coming up, but first, a quick trivia break. We talk about downloads taking up space, but what about the internet itself? Did you know that at peak times, Netflix alone accounts for nearly 15% of all downstream internet traffic worldwide? That is a lot of binge watching. If you guessed 15%, let me know in the comments below. Okay, let's say your phone is totally full. You can't even take a selfie. You don't have time to swipe on 20 different episodes of The Office. Every single show and movie across all profiles on this device is gone. You just reclaimed massive amounts of space in about 5 seconds. Now, deleting stuff is great, but wouldn't it be better if the app did it for you? That is where Smart Downloads comes in. Head back to your Downloads tab. At the top, tap on Smart Downloads. Make sure this is toggled on. When this is on, the second you finish watching an episode, Netflix deletes it to save space and automatically starts downloading the next episode when you have Wi-Fi. It manages your storage so you don't have to. One final bonus tip before you go. In those same app settings, check your video quality. If you set this to standard instead of higher, your downloads will take up way less space, and honestly, on a phone screen, standard looks perfectly fine. So to recap, swipe left for speed, use app settings to delete everything at once, and turn on Smart Downloads to put your storage on autopilot. If this video helped you clear up some space, give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe to For Real for more tech tips that actually help you out. I'm Anna, and I'll see you in the next one.